In this episode, the mind is a workshop where tiny cues steer choices long before a decision is voiced in everyday life and digital spaces alike. Experts reveal how subtle priming framing and social proof shape our judgments, often without conscious awareness, and how to counteract them. Real-world cases show how brands, politicians, and caregivers tilt perceptions through seemingly innocent context, with memorable anecdotes and clear takeaways. The journey dives into ethical boundaries, revealing how to recognize manipulation while keeping one's own agency intact so conversations stay ethical and respectful. By unpacking scientific experiments and everyday examples, viewers learn to navigate the quiet switches that govern behavior and build resilience against unseen influence in a crowded world.